Alright. All the way chat from hold on now, dog. All the way from hold on. Let me switch my microphone. This one let's switch to this one. Much better. All the way from Tembisa, Yandi the greatest. Let's have him quickly, chat. Just a quick one. Let's check him out. Let's see. 2 months ago. Now let's check this one. No. There's a visualizer in the building. Okay. Hold on. Speakers are not on. Type shit. Okay. How long, Yandie the Great? Yandie. The Y is silent. Yandie. Okay, what is my G talking about? Oh shit. That was a dope short. Whatever you're smoking, whatever you're drinking, even if it's unhealthy, even if it's not good for you at this point, keep using it, my brah. It's working. Even if it kills you, my brother, even if it kills you. Who's this guy? Lucid Dreams. He'll die the legend. So whatever it is that you are using, even if it kills you, thanks to it, you are cooking. That is not a flowers that I'm on my way up. I'm on my way up. This guy loves purple, man. This guy loves the color purple. Oh, he's probably using lean, is it? At this point, he loves the color purple. Look, purple. Look at the back. It's purple. He's just looking for somewhere that's purple. That's what I'm saying. You see, everything's purple, bro. Look at that. Does he edit this shit, or was it like that? Like it just, wow, that's low key.
You know I'm on my way up. I know, so know that she gon' pay up. I put my hands against signs, you grinding hard. This really is hard work, it's gon' put us at the top. There's no limit for us, fuck the sky, we going way past. Get my back, I carry your dirty mind, don't think of that. We chase the guap, the collar down, my brother chase the collar down. You grinding us, you party down, my bitch, we better see it. Keep that corner, so lifestyle. The struggle is gon' pay. I swear the struggle is gon' pay. They gotta let you know I'm on my way up. I got that gang by my side, yeah.
Yo, there's two purple. Even now Kingsley was purple, but he turned it black and white for sure. That was purple.
That is you gon' pay up. I know, so know that is you gon' pay up.
No, definitely with this current hip hop that we have, he's definitely a fit. He's definitely fit with the melodies. The fact that like most of the hip hop that we have now is melodies. He's one of them. He's one of them. The fuck?
I got the gang by my side, yeah. Nigga, that she know I'm on my way out. I know, yeah. I know. Sooner or later, that she gon' pay us.
Purple Gang. Shout out to you, my G. I fuck with this. I fuck with this. Crazy.